Good evening, everyone. Please turn on your videos.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Please turn on your
ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, Karan.
Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations, Ji.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome.
Karan,
Congratulations, ma'am.
I'm waiting for you. See what I have for you.
Yes,
Cake.
cake. Why did you make a cake?
To celebrate. See, I wish I could share this with everyone.
Congrats, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being present here to share my happiness. I'm so glad.
Congratulations, ma'am.
As my family, extended family.
Wishing you all the success.
Thank you so much. And it's a team. We all are a team, and we all are growing together.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, everyone.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I really liked your way to get to train the other person for Jollyphonic.
Double set allowed नहीं है.
Thank you so much. Okay. I'm glad to have so many of you here, and I'm just waiting for a few more. Till then, let's not waste time, and I would request Hiral to share one activity. When my teachers were there, when my team was there, I would not say teachers, they are my partners. I would rather say they're my partners. So Hussaina and Payal were there, but somehow Hiral was not there. So Hiral is also my partner, and we are a team. So this belongs to each one of you, and has one activity to share with us.
First of all, congratulations, ma'am.
Yes, cheers to everyone, because this channel is of the academy, and academy belongs to everyone. So we all come together.
Okay. So we'll start, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so I suppose everybody today present in this class, let us make it a classroom only, because we should have all the fun, right? Like the way we have it with the kids. So I suppose you all must be sitting with some book or a pen or a pencil with us. Yeah. So let us begin. Let us begin our classroom for the day. Now, everybody, what I want you to do today is make a rectangle. I will use my flashboard. Make a rectangle. Make a rectangle. I'll splash it again. My lines are a little crooked. Done? Then I'll move forward. Now, on the corner, one of the corners, make a small rectangle.
I request everyone to kindly mute yourself except for Hiral.
Okay,
Mute yourself.
done? Done now? Next, make a circle. Make a circle in the center. Any guesses? What are we making? Any guesses? Huh?
Camera.
Camera. Yes. Let's see what our camera is doing today. Now we need a switch also, right? We need a switch to click pictures. You will make a small switch here. So my camera is ready. Some flashlights. Okay, my camera is ready, and see, now I'm starting to click pictures. Okay, just hold on. See, I'm clicking pictures. You have to do this with the kids, huh? Now outside the window also. Okay, I guess I have clicked enough pictures, and now see what my camera is developing. Okay, see, it is developing some pictures. See, I have some more pictures that are being clicked.
हाँ और कुछ तो बातें कर रहा है ना कब से वो.
देखो क्या बना? Any guesses?
Amazing.
What are we doing? Any guesses?
But now field officer put the medicine. Okay, again. But I want to take.
Some more pictures. Isn't it exciting?
हे भगवान कहाँ से सूझते हैं यार.
Any guesses? What are we?
Hiral, unmute yourself. I have muted rest everyone. Please unmute yourself.
Ah, okay. Okay. Any guesses? What were we doing? We were doing nouns. See, you can tell kids, this is your camera. Even the kids would be doing this, and just, even they will start acting, clicking up pictures. And when they are seeing a teacher is developing all the pictures from here, they'll really fun. They'll be, how did you do that, teacher? How did you click the pictures, and how did they develop? Then they, of course, they get the trick that how teacher was hiding behind the book. But at first they're really excited with this activity, and they know that for nouns, for nouns, anything we can take a picture of is a noun. So if some crazy word comes around, so they know that if I can take a picture of this thing, that it is a noun. And if we don't have flashcards, it's not necessary that we should be having flashcards. You can use some of your kids' old books, like this picture books, and you can make some flashcards out of it. See, they are having lots of pictures. You can just cut out, make small pictures, stick it on the cardboards, and just you can use it like a flashcard, like how I did. So this is like clearly a fun activity, and the kids really love this when they see it for the first time. Yeah. Okay, Shweta ma'am. This was my noun activity. This is how we know how we go for a noun, and the kids love it. And then we ask them to, develop some of the pictures that you are clicking in your room or outside the window or inside the kitchen or inside the fridge. They like hunting in the fridge a lot.
Yeah, so this was one of the camera activity, which is a part of Jolly Grammar. So we'll be sharing more of ideas, but before that, I would like to introduce to my daughters. Please come. She's Anvesha and she's Yashvi, and they both are my strongest pillars, and they are helping me a lot to work for my academy, and they are great teachers as well, better than me, I must say. So I truly dedicate this cake to the entire team, including my daughters, and they are going to cut this. Thank you for being part of this beautiful moment.
Shweta ma'am, pin yourself.
Yeah. So we all can clap. 3 cheers to Creative Minds Academy and everyone here. I wish I could really serve you this. Karan, where are you? To all my kids, if you are here, please, kids, show me your faces. If you are here, I can see Vivan. I can see Vivan.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Please turn on your cameras if here.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. So let's continue with the session, and I'm here for your questions.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, Beta. So sweet of you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
So yes, let's continue this session, and okay. I wish you all could have this. If you have any sweet, please take me a treat from me.
Okay.
For kids, we'll have something. I'll arrange something for sure. Okay. So let's continue the session, and let's discuss what all we have met for. You all can share your ideas for all the free sessions which I'll be conducting, what all you want, because this session is not so long that I can solve each and every query. But yes, definitely we can make a list of the things and we can schedule them so that we can grow together, we can learn together. Hi, Shona.
So looking forward for a jolly grammar session, ma'am, in future from you.
Yes, definitely. We'll be going one by one. So level 1 I have already uploaded, and let's do the level 2, grammar level 2.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Shona, thank you. Thank you for being the part of this celebration.
Welcome, ma'am. My pleasure, ma'am. My pleasure.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, Payal. Your constant support, I really appreciate that. And Ritu ma'am, please turn on your video. Ritu, Ani. Deepti, please turn on your camera. They all are working with me. Deepti, can you please turn on your camera? Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations.
She's Deepti. I would like to introduce her to everyone. And
Hello, everyone.
she has just started practicing Poly grammar with one of my batch, and she's doing really well. And she's taken all the 6 level training from me. And Deepti, can you share your experience? How Poly grammar worksheets? They're so colorful and bright, and you have noticed personally today in the class. Right?
Yeah. Actually, sorry, ma'am. So sorry.
Okay.
Taking the class, actually, it's very interesting. You know, I've got to learn many new things. I've never taken grammar classes online. I've been taking phonics online, but taking grammar sessions online, this is my first experience, and that is only due to ma'am. And like, I was so worried, like, how will I take the session? But then ma'am supported me a lot. Today was my second session, but then I actually, you know, I'm confident because ma'am is there along with me. So, and along with these Jolly Grammar books, it is very easy, and the kids also, you know, understand it in a better way. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, any one of you, Jalpa, I can see Jalpa, and few of you, I don't know personally. I have never talked to you on personal note, but I know that you are one of those 1,000 subscribers, and that means a lot to me.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Actually, I have attended some Jolly. I am a certified trainer for Jolly Phonics. I have done the storytelling session. I have also done the syllabication advanced spelling course. But when I attend, I only saw one video of yours, and it just clicked my mind that it was really satisfying. I have not experienced this in my paid classes, which the way openly you explain and you teach. Actually, I'm also like that, so I really connected with you very quickly.
Yeah, I really want we should not run after money, and we should offer some free services, because at least at this pandemic time, we know that everyone is going through a tough time, and sharing knowledge. Yes, definitely. We have made it our profession, so we have to earn money out of it. But then, not everything is about money. Sometimes we have to be a little, just a little help. Sharing a knowledge, just a little help can make a big difference to somebody's life.
Exactly, ma'am.
So I do not want I cannot put everything under the free sessions, but yes, one by one, slowly I can put it on my channel so that people can watch it. And if at all they due to any situation they are not able to do the paid course, at least they can watch the video and they can upgrade themselves, and they can enlighten the young minds, because they you all are teaching. So those videos will definitely help to clear the doubts. And yes, definitely, one should go for the paid course also, because you need certificate. And definitely, many of the things are solved during the course. But at any point of time, when you don't have time, or because of any reason you're not able to do, so there should be some resource, some source where you can get the free training also, and you can carry forward your teaching.
Yes, exactly,
So,
ma'am.
the one plan which is in my mind is about those, because everyone is so curious to know about that bumper book, and I have shared my video where I have told you that the video has every letter sound has 4 pages, and there are so many ideas. But as you must have seen that video where I have told you that if we can contribute to such creativity, and we can have without even investing so much right now, you can have your own list of activities for every sound. So what my suggestion is that from May 1st, if we start taking one sound every day, and I want to put a contest so that everyone puts in the best. So every day we'll have one winner for the activity, and definitely I'll be offering some kind of takeaway, so that you are inspired to win the contest. And this way, every day, if we take one sound, we'll have 42 sounds, and then we can go ahead for alternatives, where without investing, we can learn from each other.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
One sound per day. Can we take one group for 2 days like that?
Yeah, we can do that also, so that we can.
Because sometimes single sound does not make that much activities, but yes, we can do a lot if we consider a group.
Definitely. So even I think if we take the session for an hour, we can have one complete group. We can keep it on alternate days. We can keep it on alternate days, and or even twice a week we can have, where we do one group in a day. So we'll cover up with 42 sounds, and then we'll go for the alternatives. And for alternatives, we all will do something different, which nobody has done, because alternative is something where every teacher is finding it very challenging. So I have an idea of making stories, because 42 sounds, they have stories, they have a lesson plan, they have rhymes and actions. So if we have a story to tell for alternatives as well, so we will have at least 10 minutes for engaging the children to watch something, to listen to something, because otherwise it's going, although we are trying different games also, we are trying to make them draw many things, but then the child is not listening to you. And to make the child listen to you, if you have a story, that always attracts children. So I believe that we should create stories for alternatives, which is not there in Jolly lessons.
Very true. Agree.
Hi Neeta, if you can turn on your camera, and you can just talk with everyone. Hi, Samira, everyone. Richa, Rupali, Nandini, Jaya. Anything else? I just want that this channel should be should prove very fruitful to every teacher who needs to upgrade herself, because we have got
And
something
also,
very productive. Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar is a very strong tool which we have got, and it can do wonders. And you must have seen that who doesn't have a teaching background can also start with Jolly Phonics at any point of time. Because yes, Sushma, I think she's raising hand. If you want to say something, please go ahead. Kavita.
Yeah,
and
ma'am,
also about the spelling rules.
Shweta Kavita here.
Yeah, hi Kavita.
Good evening, Shweta. I had a talk with you on phone, and as Jalpa said, why I got attracted towards you because of your selfless sister, and that is into me also.
Yeah,
You know,
like-minded
because I'm not
people,
money minded.
like-minded people will always come
Yeah,
together to make to bring something positive.
yes,
At least we can try.
yes.
We
I
should.
have done my body. Yes, actually, yeah. So even I charge very less fees to my students. I'm a preschool owner actually, and I really can't allow my conscience to overburden them with the fees. And that's the reason I got connected with you, because I saw one of your spelling rules workshop, I think on your Facebook page, and I really got attracted towards you because I saw that you are doing it so selflessly without any charges, and you are giving so much help to each and everyone. And again, you have formed this group to help everyone over here. So I immediately, like, I have subscribed you long back because of your gesture, Shweta, and I really appreciate you for that.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you so much. Thanks to everyone, in fact. Yeah. Anything else?
So we
Ma'am, I
can
have
do spelling rules also, session 1, spelling rules.
Yeah. See, for teachers, I think I have uploaded enough videos on my YouTube channel. If you go to the playlist and click on spelling rules, almost I have taken everything. But still, if you find that something is missing, you can always let me know and we can go ahead with that. But yes, for children, there's nothing altogether as of now.
Ma'am, in how many sessions Jolly Phonics course completed for the kids? How much day it will take?
For kids, see, generally we get enrollment of 4 to 5-year-old child. So we have to take 3 months for level 1 and then next 3 months or 4 months for level 2 and level 3. So it's in
Ma'am,
totality, it is about 6 to 7 months course, and it can even extend because you do not take the class on a regular basis. So,
how,
but
how many sessions should be must be there for kids in week?
see, 42 sounds means 42 classes minimum you need, right? And after that, you have 12 tricky words also in level 1. So 12 tricky words and 42 sounds. So almost 50 classes you need for just for level 1. Then when you take alternative, so one alternative should be taken in 1 week. Okay. I mean, like if there are 4 alternatives, so you will, like for suppose example, A sound. So you have A sound with AI, AY, and Magic E. So one day you will take
Ma'am, this is called alternatives. This
yes,
is called alternatives.
alternative means the same sound can come from which all spellings. So they are alternative to the sound. That instead of this, you can use this. Instead of this, it can be this. Instead of this, so that is an alternative. Got it? Alternative.
Like AIAY.
Yes, yes. So one day you
So,
will,
ma'am,
one day you'll do AI, one day you'll do AY, one day you'll do Magic E, then one day you'll put some sorting activity. You'll do some sorting activity where you'll give the mix of all the words. One day you will take dictation. So that means 1 week will go in one alternative, right? then you have 12 alternatives. So 12 weeks, that is a 12-week program. But apart from that, you also need to tell them the rule. You have to show them videos. You have to, sometimes you can do dictation, you can take the test. So in that way, this way you have to design your curriculum where you give enough time for level 2 and level 3, because you have 60 tricky words, remaining 60 tricky words, because in group 1, level 1 Jolly Phonics, we take only 12, right?
Okay. So, ma'am, what do you give the classes of other Jolly grammar and spellings? Because it is very new for me, which I am hearing from the Facebook and other portals.
See,
which is very new for me.
UK Jolly Learning has various programs: Jolly Phonics, Jolly Grammar, Jolly Music, and Jolly English. And now Jolly Plays have also come. Okay, but the most popular course is Jolly Phonics, which is giving wonderful results. Jolly Grammar is also a very nice program, like as Deepthi has shared right now. The worksheets are very colorful, very clear. When I take workshop, even if I take one-to-one workshop and I take the worksheet itself, the worksheet is so self-explanatory that you don't have to, it just clicks. Like Shona is here. Shona, you have done. Neeta, you have done the course. Ritu, you have done the course. Satya, you have done the course. So you all can share your experience of Jolly Grammar. Even here, 4 levels, not from me, but she has done. But yes, definitely Jolly English and Jolly Music are so popular.
So, ma'am, do you get trained other persons too?
Yes, I do teachers training. I am listed on UK Jolly Learning website, and I'm one of the listed accredited professional trainer for Jolly Phonics and Jolly Grammar. And I provide you the certificate.
So you will provide certificate also.
Yes,
so
yes.
The charges for ma'am Jolly Grammar and Jolly Phonics.
Jolly Phonics is 2,700 and Jolly Grammar is 3,500. And you all are here. You all must be aware that these are the minimum charges. At least
you are taking Jolly Phonics 2,700.
2,700, yes. At least for Jolly Grammar, 3,500 you will not find anywhere, because they are charging around 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We can see in the Facebook
She's charging really the lowest one.
Yes, ma'am.
She's charging
Even
the lowest.
The courses which we are offering for children, I don't think anyone is taking 5 days a week. 5 days a week.
Ma'am, while you are teaching, for example, any sound, any alternative sound or anything, do you take any YouTube videos help?
Yes. There are so many.
So have you, sorry ma'am, have you shortlist, have you select the video, like
yes,
any criteria for?
Leapfrog blending videos are very good. Then digraph.
Spelling. What is the video?
I can share in the group. Even I'm not aware of many things which my teachers are sharing, and Hiral and Payal and right now Hussaina is not with us here. Then Tanvi is not here, but they are sharing many things which even I don't know. And I get, when I share those screenshots, people keep asking from where they have shared. So hats off to everyone who is working hard to find out. So I think if you want to learn, Google is a magic.
Best thing, I know, ma'am. Yes.
Like you have to dig yourself. You have to keep digging.
Definitely.
Ma'am, I started my phonics classes before taking the course of Jolly Phonics. And I have learned everything from YouTube and Google.
Yes, now you can actually do the training by watching the videos and everything. After this pandemic, even lot many trainers have offered free courses. The owner of UK Jolly, the owner themselves, they have done many workshops. Sue Lord and Sarah Varam, they have done many workshops free.
So, ma'am, class 1 students, some location in some locations, class 1 students inquiries come for Jolly Phonics. So, it is suitable for class 1 student also.
When you have a grade 1 student, so what you have to do is you have to check for the 42 sounds. In the Jolly Phonics lesson app, there is a screening test. You have to take the screening test and you have to check how many sounds the child already knows. What you will find is the child will mostly find it difficult when it comes to digrams and diphthongs. He is clear with, mostly they will be clear with the consonant sounds. Okay. Or maybe even short vowel sounds, but not with the long vowel sounds and digrams and diphthongs. So you will have a list of the sounds where you need to work. So you can directly take those lesson plans. For example, the first 3 groups, you don't need to touch. You can just start with group 4 and you can focus more on 2-letter sounds, that is digraph, rather than the consonant, because the children, that old child must be aware of T is H, T is T, D is D. That is the minimum, like every child knows if he is in grade 1, majority of the kids, they know. So you can just start with that. So somebody has put me this question that for a grade 1 child, should we start with story, rhyme, action? Not required. Rhyme and action not required if the child is already in grade 1. You can start with Jolly Grammar, but first clear the 42 sounds. Once you clear the 42 sounds, then alternatives and spelling rules are there in Jolly Grammar 1. So they can be taken together. So you can enroll the child for Jolly Grammar 1, taking phonics and grammar both. Because grammar books are designed in such a way that 1 page is for grammar and 1 page is for spellings. So they go hand in hand together.
Thank you so much for informative.
Ma'am,
can I ask something?
Yeah, definitely. We have 6 minutes with us. Yeah.
Shweta, Kavita here. Shweta,
Yes, Kavita.
For grammar course, you will be providing the books also, teacher's book for grammar?
That is not included in 3,500. Reason is 1 book is of 500. If I give you 6 books, that costs 3,000 to me.
Okay, for grammar part 1, like we need to purchase the book then, right?
Yes. What you
Ma'am, charges for Jolly Phonics books जो आपके पास kit है पढ़ाने के लिए?
Pupil book are around 300 or 400. Between 300 and 400 pupil books are available.
Ma'am, how many books we should get?
See, if you are taking offline class, I would recommend all the 3 pupil books. If the children are 3 plus, between 3 and 4, we have very good activity books. Jolly Phonics activity books are too good. But if the child is 4 plus, you can directly take pupil book 1, 2, 3. That will make your work very easy. But in online class, you can download the worksheets which are there on UK Jolly Learning website. And there's one more website of Sue Lord. There also you'll find worksheets.
तो मैम 900 का पड़ेगा हमको तीनों बुक्स मिलाकर.
Yes.
जो आप हमें देंगे अगर हम आपसे लेते हैं. तो we will drop a message for books.
You can order directly from Star Publications. I can share the contact number. Because of this lockdown, I do not order the books for my year and then I courier. It's better that I share the contact number of the.
So they will provide me at the same cost which you have told me.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to handle a situation when child doesn't in school they doesn't follow the Jolly Phonics sounds, but at home we do follow the Jolly Phonics sound.
So just think that it's a matter of few months, 2 to 3 months. So let the child learn Jolly Phonics for 2 to 3 months, even if he's not doing well at school. Let him take this 3 months program and then you'll find wonderful results. In this lockdown, I have trained a whole class, senior KG class of Santa Kids School. Although they do not have Jolly Phonics in their curriculum, but when the session came to an end, the principal was really worried that the children are not able to read and they are going to grade 1. And at the end, the last few months, the children took this, only 42 classes I have offered them and all of them were reading.
But ma'am, like the child question, like I know this sound, but my school teacher is not saying this sound. So
Sounds will be
then
same.
there is a
E will say per only. Sounds will be same anyhow. A will say a. Okay, TH will give the, and sounds cannot differ. The lesson plan can be different, the methodology can be different, but sounds cannot be different, right?
no ma'am, but like I'm like the sound for T, letter T, it is t, what we say, and in school the teacher says t.
No, that's not correct. That's not correct. Always give the soft side. Always teach the soft side, not the hard side.
Yeah.
जैसे हिंदी
Yes,
में
so
हलंत यूज करते हैं ना, आधा आधा क है ना, आधा जो हम हलंत यूज करते हैं, that is the soft side. So we have to teach, because soft side makes easier in blending the sounds together.
agree, ma'am. Yeah, totally agree. But what happens is in school the teacher says t, so then there's a confusion in the child's mind. Ki, you do this with me. In phonics, I do the sound of T, letter T is t, and in school my teacher is saying t. So why is she saying t?
Anyhow, the child will also know that it is not a very big difference. It's not t and p, it's t and t. So basically, he also understands the sound is similar. It's just the matter of soft and hard side. It's not something very different. Okay, but
Yes, letter T and P is voiceless, ma'am. Letter T and P.
And not p, because then the pronunciation, the accent will be different, right?
True.
So
Letter T and P.
one day-
Hello, ma'am.
One
Can
day
you hear me?
take a one letter. So in one day you take a one letter, right? So have you covered the 40 minutes in one letter?
Story followed by rhyme, action, some drawings, coloring, reading the words, and taking a little dictation and revising.
Okay, story, rhyme, worksheet, and coloring.
Reading, that is blending, and segmenting, where you give the sound and the child writes the sound, the letter.
And have to give dictation for 4-year-old also?
Yes,
This is
with the help of actions. Sat. So you will not say sat and the child is going to write sat. Do the action. Sat. With your action, it will become easy for him to write down. We just have few seconds left. Thank you for such a wonderful meet, and thanks a lot for being present for this beautiful moment, precious moment for me. And see you soon. We'll keep having.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, just one last question. As you said, in initial classes only, how to take care of initial classes? I mean, if you are teaching, it's just a big name. If we are teaching S sound, the sound of S and A.
Don't tell them today we are going to learn S, today we are going to learn this. Start with the story. Are you ready for a story? I have a story to tell you. See, there's a boy whose name is